Real quickly here, I made a new pizza. That's what it looks like. I'll put this recipe underneath it. I made it earlier. Get it whippy and smooth and creamy like this. And then you just put it on the pizza. Now I made this before, but it's got cashews in it this time. And I wanted to show this. This is excellent. Not the greatest for the pizza because it's lumpy and it tastes like a meatball sauce. It literally tastes like it has meatballs in it because probably the fennel, meatball or sausage. But if you want something really cool and you don't want to make your own pasta sauce sometimes, try this brand out. You'll like this. This is really, really awesome. So I'll link that under the video. I wanted to show you what it looks like ahead of time. This is potatoes, oil, a vegan cheese, powdered cheese, Parmesan, and then some cashews. And I think a little bit of salt and maybe some pepper. I forgot. But I'll link it under there. And I want to show you what happens to it after the pizza's baked. And what it does is I toast the bread first. I warm the sauce in the pan. Now I put it all together and it's going to go back in the oven. Okay, these guys are like Sicilian, but I wanted to show you. See how it moves like cheese? Gooey underneath. A little bit, not crispy, but cooked on top. See that? Nice. I wanted to show you before I put some fresh basil on it. So yeah, let me think if I wanted to tell you something. Before my camera runs out, you see I pulled that there so you can see it a little bit better. The cheesiness of the potato and the cashew. You got to use the oil. You'll see in the video for the cheese how the oil makes that happen when it mixes with everything. That's a good shot right there. See? All right, and get that if you like it. This is good. I wouldn't recommend it for this pizza. I just wanted to try it. Whatever my other pizza video was, that sauce was good for pizza. Or I'll just make my own when I feel like it. And here's this coming. It's thrivemarket.com. You can check it out on there. Excellent stuff. Tastes like the real thing. Vegan, vegan, vegan. Recycle. Buy only what you can truly recycle. And skip all the bags and the boxes and plastics that don't get recycled. 1 meal a day. Vegan, non-GMO, organic. Do your best to grow your own food. You can see that stuff on my channel under my vegan garden and stuff like that. All right, I have my vegan garden stuff and I have my vegan foods. And then you'll see the indoor setup and the outdoor setup for growing your own stuff. All right, lots of love to you. I'm not going to taste it. I tried to. It's burning hot. I already know it's good because I've made it before. And I know the sauce is good. It's just not a pizza sauce, so you do what you guys want as far as the sauce goes. Love yous. Bye.